What is up, VIPs? It's an amazing God bless day. Here's your pre-workout jolt. But look what happened. This dead fish on a slab woke up with a little salsa skirt because it is so jolted now. That's what happens when you go from dead to alive. I got a question from someone and they emailed me and said, you know what, JNL, I feel like I'm just dying, like I'm being buried alive with my stress. And I said, no, you're not being buried alive. You're actually being replanted. You're being replanted in a new position. You're actually moving from where you were, being planted deep to prosper. So that's why you're feeling like maybe you're being buried alive. And you're not 6 feet under. You're 6 feet ahead of the game. You're quantum leaping. Does that make sense? So today we're going live at 8 a.m. with our Deep Detox Sexy Sculpted Stretch. But we're going to be starting with our 15-minute ab attack first. I'm switching it up a little bit because I'm instinctively feeling what my VIP sisters need, and I want to make sure I get it to you. You guys love to work your abs. You're a little bit freaky like me, which I love. You know, the harder the better, the more sore the better. So we're going to start today with our 15-minute abs. Marching on. We're marching on. Upwards and onwards. Friday is our beautiful masterclass clinic, Thighs the Limit. I'm giving away one of these beautiful Pilates rings. You don't want to miss that. That's at 1:15 on Friday. Okay? So moving on. Marching on is one of the themes here for March. What does that mean? How do you get to propel yourself forward and create a life full of positive momentum? You got to be obsessive about learning. Learning more, learning about your strengths, your weaknesses, learning how you can achieve more in less time. Staying humble, so important. Stay humble, leave ego out. EGO stands for easing God out. And when you do that, everything crumbles. You gotta feel the feels. You gotta feel the excitement about moving forward. I love what some of you guys said, putting down your boundaries, telling your bosses and coworkers that I am not going to be engaging in office gossip and negativity. Know your boundaries. Feel the good feelings, right? Rise and grind. That's what we do every day here in the VIP community. And breathe. I always teach you how to breathe. If you can control your breath, you can control your entire life. Yes. You also self-assess. That's why I always have you guys do a wonderful progress report, because you have to look instinctively. I hated when I went to my teacher and she sat me in a chair and said, you're not doing this, you're not doing that, you need to do more in this. And I was like, how does she know what's going on in my life at home with this and that and the other financially? So I love to have you guys warmly invite you to look inward to yourself and say, I'm doing this good. I woke up and got my workouts in. I'm happier, I'm healthier, I'm a happier woman. I'm actually seeing who's in my corner, who's rooting for me, right? So self-assess is so important. Finding your focus. You have to have a laser focus in a world of flashlights, honey. And you know what? I get a lot of emails. JNL, I got this hater. JNL, this person's sabotaging me. JNL, this person, once I started getting my life together and losing weight and looking good, it seems like everybody just got a little like, who she thinks she is attitude. Well, you know what? I'm here to tell you. I'm going to give you a quote from Victor Hugo. Victor Hugo, he was one of the best novelists, French poets, okay? He's considered one of the greatest and best known writers everywhere in the world. He says, you have enemies? Why, it's the story of every man who has done a great deed or created a new idea. Okay, this was in 1800s, he's saying this. Haters been everywhere. They're not going to support you. Keep going. He says, it is the cloud which thunders around everything that shines. Fame must have enemies, as light must be gnats. He told those haters they're gnats. Honey, like those little bugs that bother you and you're like, get off me. You know, you're like, get out of here. So don't bother yourself about it. Disdain. Keep your mind serene as you keep your life clear. Victor Hugo, you gangster, okay? He knows what's up in the 1800s. This 2020. Let's listen to him. So right now, keep going. Move forward. Keep going. As you guys know, you have support on demand here. You have coaching on demand. You have people that are alive, breathing, not robots, not automated emails, okay? Not something that's emailed to you here in the program. I gotta run in 30 seconds, and I'm gonna leave you with this. Don't you hate when you sign up for a program? How many of you guys out there signed up for that $10,000 program, that $5,000 program, that $3,000 program, and when you sign up, you can't get a live person, you can't get anyone to take your phone call, you're on hold forever, and when you get there, it's someone way over on the other side of the world, and you're like, is this program I signed up for? None of that happens here at the VIP program. You have coaching on demand. You need me, you WhatsApp me, email me, call me, jingle me, text me, DM me, I am here, okay? And also, you have applause from your VIP sisters on demand, support on demand. That is essential when you're about to have a breakdown and you feel like you can't go on and you're kind of questioning everything you're doing, but you have support to help you keep going. That's what we have here, and I could not be more grateful for the amazing women that we have worldwide here. All right, going live at 8 a.m. For all my members, congratulations. If you're not a member, join JNLVIP.com. Your first month is $1. You have nothing to lose but your excuses, okay, and your old self. And you have everything to gain, like stamina, energy, courage, confidence, and a sexy body. Oh yeah, honey. Right? Let's do this. Let's get this party started. I'll see you guys at 8 a.m. for our deep detox, sexy sculpt and stretch. Abs first. I'll see you now. Bye, guys. Love you, Brooke.